how do you come to school? Good morning, Grandma. I am so bored.
After some years, they built a bridge across the river in our village also. After that, we didn't have to swim. I also used to walk across the bridge to reach my school.
Oh, so you also had a bridge. Was the bridge in your village?
Or bullock carts like some do in our village?
No, Chinu, we live in the plains. Bullock carts can move easily here. In the desert, the sand is very soft. The bullock cart will get stuck if it tries to move on the sand. That's why they can't use bullock carts in the desert. A camel has long and thin legs. It can easily walk on the sand. That's why camels are used in the desert as transport.
So different places have different modes of transport. That is why some children living in the hills ride a horse to go to school.
That's right, Chinu. The road on the hills are very steep. People can slip and fall. But the feet of the horses are very stable. They can climb even steep hills easily.
But why, Grandma? It will be lots of fun to gallop on a horseback.
Yes, it is fun, but it costs a lot of money to travel by horse every day. But children living in the hills are very brave and fit. They just walk up and down the hill to go to school.
Meenu, don't you remember about our other cousin, Deepak, who lives in Shimla?
Shimla? Where is Shimla?
Shimla is the capital city of the state of Himachal Pradesh. Look at the atlas, Panu. This is the state of Himachal Pradesh. It is in the northern part of India. Look. This is Shimla. It is the capital city.
Our cousin Deepak lives in Shimla. He goes to school there.
His house is also on top of the hills. He has to walk across the rocky paths to reach his school every day.
Yes, he said his school is very far, even further away than our school.
It must be very difficult for him to walk up and down the hills every day. It takes him a long time to reach his school from home. In spite of all these difficulties, he goes to school every day. Chinu, do you remember the story our teacher told us the other day?
Story? What story, Meenu? I love stories. Will you tell me also?
Yes, Panu. It is about a brother and sister who live in Kashmir. They live in a place called Leh in Ladakh.
Leh in Ladakh? Let me first see these places in the atlas. Ladakh is in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes, Panu. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Leh is here. See, it is in the Himalayas.
So it is very, very cold there. They have to walk on roads filled with snow every day to reach their school. It is really, really cold and freezing there.
Oh yes, it is very cold out there. It is very difficult to walk to school. Still, children in Leh go to school every day.
Our teacher said that they make snowballs and throw it at each other. They play and sing on their way to school, just like us.
And sometimes, when the snow gets inside their dress, they start dancing to remove the snow.
They also must be learning to dance like Meenu.
Children, do you know something? In some places in Gujarat, children go to school in a jugaad.
Grandma, first I want to see Gujarat in the atlas. Oh, here it is. It has a very different shape.
Yes, Panu. It is on the western side of India. And look, Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. So what did you say they had in Gujarat, Grandma? A jugaad? What is a jugaad?
Jugaad is a small vehicle, Chinu. It is also a means of transport.
Oh, it's a means of transport? How does it look, Grandma? What is it made of?
A jugaad is made out of scrap, Meenu.
Scrap? That means it's made from waste metal and other waste items?
Yes, Meenu. It is made of waste things.
But Grandma, how is a jugaad used?
People use a jugaad to transport things from one place to another. And some children sit on it and go to school. It makes a lot of noise when it moves, like phat phat phat. Children sing and laugh sitting on a jugaad on the way to school. They really enjoy going to school in a jugaad.
Jugaad must be a lot of fun, Grandma. I made a poem on jugaad. Do you want to listen to it? The jugaad is made of scrap and makes the noise phat phat phat. It helps take children to school very fast, making the noise phat phat phat.
That was a nice poem, Meenu. You have made the poem really quickly. Even our friend Jeetu used to have a lot of fun going to school. He shifted to our village recently and has joined our school. He told us as to how he used to go to school before.
Where was his school? How did he go?
Meenu, have you forgotten? Jeetu and his friends had to cross the jungle to reach school.
Cross a jungle to reach school. I am very scared of a jungle. But why?
Because there was no school near his village. There was a school only on the other side of the jungle. So they had to cross the jungle to go to school every day. Jeetu and his friends had to be very careful. Still, he and his friends used to go to school every day. They never missed school.
See, children, it is very important to go to school. Look, some children have to cross jungles, some have to walk up and down the hills, some have to walk on the roads filled with snow, and some children have to cross rivers to reach their schools. But still, children all over the country enjoy going to school.
Yes, Grandma, it is very important to go to school. I read a book about our former president, Shri Abdul Kalam. Even he had to cross a river to go to school. Once, he had to swim across the river to write his exam. Still, he went to school regularly, worked hard, and became a great man.
Meenu, in our village, we don't even have electricity. We light a lamp and study in that light.
That's good, Pannu. Even though you have problems, you should study well. Only then you can do well in life. Children, you all must be hungry now. I will go and make some puris for all of you. You can eat and then go out and play for some time.
Okay, Grandma, that will be fun. Friends, how far is your school from your home? How do you go to school? We go to school every day. You also should go to school every day. Do you have fun going to school? Children in different parts of the country go to school in different ways. Shall we try and match them? Rajasthan, camel, plain lands, bullock carts or cycle. Kerala, boots. Himachal Pradesh, rocky paths. Gujarat, Jugaad, Jharkhand, through jungles. North Indian hills. Walking through snow. Schools across rivers. Crossing over bridges. Rajasthan, camel, plain land, bullock cart or cycle. Kerala, boots. Himachal Pradesh, rocky paths. Gujarat, Jugaad. Jharkhand, through jungles. North Indian hills. Walking through snow. Schools across rivers. Crossing over bridges. Friends, will you help us tick the correct answer? You have to say the answer loudly. In the olden days, girls did not go to school at all, were not encouraged to study too much. All of the above. Were not encouraged to study too much. Children go to school to waste time, to learn new things. To learn new things. Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, rope, all of the above. All of the above. A bridge can be built over water, road, between two mountains, all of the above. All of the above. Children in our country go to school by cycle, walking, bullock, camel carts, all of the above. All of the above. In the olden days, girls were not encouraged to study too much. Children go to school to learn new things.
Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, rope, a bridge can be built over water, road, between two mountains, children in our country go to school by cycle, walking, bullock, camel car. Will you tell yes or no to the following question? Children should go to school to learn new things. Yes. Girls should not be sent to school. No. Children should be punished in school even for their smallest mistakes. No. Punishment is the only solution for misdeeds. No. Children should learn to be self-disciplined. Yes. Girls should be treated equally like boys. Yes. Shall we help Butterfly to fill in the blanks now? Children living in have to walk by rocky paths to reach school. Children living in mountains have to walk by rocky paths to reach school. Can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, or rope. Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, or rope. A is made by using waste material. A jugaad is made by using waste material. In Rajasthan, some children go to school in carts. In Rajasthan, some children go to school in camel carts. Some children go by boats to school. In Kerala, some children go by boats to school. A bullock cart has wheels. A bullock cart has 2 wheels. Children living in mountains have to walk by rocky paths to reach school. Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, or rope. A jugaad is made by using waste material. In Rajasthan, some children go to school in camel carts. In Kerala, some children go by boats to school. A bullock cart has 2 wheels. Friends, will you help us tick the correct answer? You have to say the answer loudly. How do you come to school?
Have you seen a bridge? Is there a bridge near where you live? What is it made up of? Have you seen a boat? Do you have bullock carts where you live? Can you draw a bullock cart? Do you think it is right not to send girls to school? Do you have punishments in your school? Do you think that punishment should be there in school? How do you think children can discipline themselves?